Can you believe that this thing can create fireless smoke? Yes, because I used to use a torch, and I mean, it gets quite dangerous sometimes, and the chips go all over the place. With this thing, I'll show you exactly what it does. But first, this is what I'm talking about here. These are the chips, the wooden chips, and it comes with the whole pack. You've got pear, apple, cherry, oak. What is this one here? Beech and hickory. Okay, we're gonna go with, let's go with some hickory. The cool thing with this is that it will fit on top of your glass and it will create the smoke right inside the unit, and it is a rechargeable unit via USB-C right over here. Now, the cool thing with this is, check this out. You're gonna put in the chips onto here. So I'm gonna do just a little bit. You don't have to completely, fill it up to the brim, just a little bit, just like that. And then we are good to go. I'm gonna place that back in here. If you're using this multiple times, careful, the surface will become hot, so you don't wanna put your fingers in there. But of course, just do this carefully. And I'm gonna go, and as you can see, this is where the smoke is gonna come out, right? When it's ready. And this is my second time using a device like this, but this is the first time that I use a device with such advancements. Check this out. I do have the plus button, but I also have a kind of little dial. And I'm gonna show you what that little dial does. Let me just turn it on. I just gotta see it through there you go. Now it's on, and check this out. I can concentrate, so this is low concentration, medium concentration, and go all the way to high concentration. And as you can see, the numbers go up, the seconds go up. Concentrations mean how much smoke is gonna billow out of here, how much thickness it's going to be, like how thick the smoke is going to be. So we're gonna try it. So I've got the power button right here. I've got it on full concentration, the highest concentration, and apparently I have to press right here. Let's see if that actually starts the countdown. There we go. Now it started. Let's see how much smoke comes out of this thing. Oh yeah. Woo-wee! It's even coming out of the top, the excess. So for another 45 seconds, this thing is just getting, oh my goodness, that is a lot of smoke. So definitely high concentration is something that is working, but I don't think you need to always go high concentration. I think we still have 30 seconds of this. This is wild. And of course, the reason why you'd be smoking a liquid like this is, if you want to add some sort of flavor, some smoky hickory or oak or apple, whatever wood chip that you put in there will kind of like permeate inside of that liquid, and it's going to taste fantastic. Trust me on that. Now, it is still got 10 seconds to go. I just want to see, and we're outdoors. Indoors, it's even more impressive because indoors, that smoke's going to stay. Outdoors, let's see what it does. So it's still coming out, and it just, obviously, it's not staying there. Now, we're at 0 seconds. I mean, the entire glass, the entire thing smells wonderful. Of course, right now it's just water, so I don't think it's gonna be a good idea to drink that. But let's look at what's left in here. And as expected, the wood chips have been burnt, smoke has been created, and I haven't touched a lighter once. How cool is that? This thing, super fantastic.